Mkhulu, Baba Jacob Zuma, ngithi kule video ayifike kuwe specially. Uyayizwa indaba? Makhanya lo okamakhanya umfana udaba uyalazi. Mana mfana kithi. Mana. Le video specially iya kumkhulu uJacob Zuma. Hlanganyelwa. Mntana kaMamzobe. Mkhulu, ngizokhala kuwe, ngizomemeza. Angizothetha because umuntu omdala akathethiswa. But uma kukhona la sekukhona ungaboni ngaso linye kuye kuhlalwe phansi or kuyiwe endlini kagogo erondweni kuyokhulunywa indaba zasekhaya. Mkhulu, umndeni or umuzi or ikhaya lineyihibe noma linokukhiqiziseka kukhona njengamanje. Ivakashi ebezikhona mkhulu ayisafuna ukuhamba, zifuna ukuthatha ikhaya lethu esinalo esalishiyela ubaba mkhulu. Siyazi mkhulu akhona amavidiyo akho aseculethayo usho ukuthi abadocument. Kwakuyiphutha lokho elikhulu mkhulu esingeke size siliphikise. Bahleli ngokweinqumo zohulumeni noma zopresident ababeyithathile back in the days noma previous presidents. Mkhulu ngeke ke sikusole because uhulumeni noma ugovernment noma ipolitical party wawukuyo iyayithi thanini. Akekho uhulumeni wala eSouth Africa wakwavela wathi mina ngizofavor abantu base South Africa ngibadefend. Wakuzama mkhulu ukudefend abantu bala eSouth Africa economically, isystem yasheshe yakhipha out. Maningi kamaphutha enzekile ukhona, sicela ukuthi alungiseke njengamanje sicelo sethu sithi mkhulu sicela ukuthi uphumelo bala ukhulume nesizwe sase-South Africa. Ngikushiso yini lokho mkhulu? Izwe ngalesikhathi uvelelwe zihibe zihubhe ucingwa isystem noma uhulumeni obekade ukuwo before ucingwa isitha. iSouth Africa yasukuma mkhulu yama kanye nawe ilwa no government, ilwa nesystem. Kwakho sokuthi mkhulu ngalesikhathi ungekho mina ngizokutshela ngoba iSouth Africa iyasaba ukusho ukuthi ngalesikhathi ungekho sasingazi ukuthi amabhunu lawa abantu abamnyama ayekuthathe action sabi. Wathathwa ke mkhulu asasesithi iSouth Africa ya decide ukuthi ayiyokucinga kuzo zonke izinto lezazikhona eSouth Africa. Babeyitshela mhlambe wathathwa wayiswa ukuthi uyokwenza igross. Sacinga kwa wonke ama-hardware, bacinga kwa wonke ama-factory, bacwa wonke ama-garage. Kuphazanyiswa indlela isystem ibikade yenza ngayo noma ukungenami, bakhombisa ukungenami kwabo ngendlela isystem ehandlisha izindaba zakho ngayo. Namhlanje abantu base-South Africa emva kuba bakudefenda isystem yaba-forced ukuthi ikudedele. And seyizwile futhi becothomela ukusoconga phakathi. South Africa phinde awukhipha umlayezo ukuthi akabuye egula noma ekhwehlela noma efile. Akukho izwe nizoliphatha nina njengohulumeni wase-South Africa. Baba forced mkhulu ukuthi bakudedele. Namhlanje ngize kuwe Nxamalala, mntana kaMamzobe, ngizothi useligama lakho. Siyawubona uhulumeni lwamakhehlo lapha eParliament wabosirini nabofikile ba-arrogant, insulting South Africans each and every day mabethola ithuba kuma-media, threatening the South Africans, the civilians of this country, the owner of this country. Babasabisa with the same soldiers that once were unleashed for you. Even today, they are promising to unleash those useless soldiers that are being bought with 50 rand to buy our country. Namhlanje mkhulu, you have nothing to lose in everything but to say one word ukuthi izwe lo baba mkhulu ucela ukuthi ivakashe ezikhona zishenxe ngancane. Ngangithe mina mkhulu umkhonto wesizwe uma uzoza ngesystem yokuba ipolitical party ngeke ukhona ukulwa nesystem, because awukwazi ukungena kwisystem uthi uzolwa nayo uzoyichallenge within. Ngikushiso yini lokho mkhulu? They were called to ask him much ukuba ipolitical party. Wavela usoswethu wathi akukwazi ukuthi sibe ipolitical party ngoba sizobe sesingasakhona ukulwa nesystem, sibe sibambe ngama-protocol nangama-system abo ukuthi singakhona ukulwa le South Africa. We rather fight outside, sikhembule isystem iphele because abantu bokufika they are misusing it, or government they are misusing it, suppressing our people, making sure ukuthi they keep our people in poverty, excluding our people economically. So umkhulu, abantu bakithi they are being fed drugs. Bonke namhlanje uphakela umthakathi umfowethu, asikhumbule umkhulu umbizi uthi akazophuza itiye enkandla, uzombonga ngomsebenzi ongaka awenza eSouth Africa. Asazi ukuthi mhlambe sinembuzo othi awukuthandi nalo khakwenzayo, awukuthanda ukwenziwa ungizwa, awukuthanda ukwenziwa usisijesinda. Niphumile obala nathi kulo unobhala omusha akabhala ukuthi anihambisane kanye nelakho, anihambisani nani nophakela umthakathi or nemacheni match, anihambisani nokuthi thina sidefend ama-South Africans, anihambisani ukuthi sidefend i-sovereignty yethu, anihambisani ukuthi sidefend i-youth yethu, anihambisani nokuthi sidefend ikusasa ley'ngane zethu. Yikho ngalwa mkhulu, akhona amavidiyo ami ngisathethela ukuthi tshela ingane yakhe ihlale e-ofisini or ihlale ekhishini ipheke or ihlale e-ofisini yenza amafayili emkhiphathi. Namanje ngisalwa mkhulu, ngizothi kuwe angilwi manje, ngizokucela njengomuntu omdala, iy'ngane zakhe zakulwela ucindezelwa isystem, ziyakucela namhlanje ukuthi phumela obala usho ukuthi kwenziwe njani from now, and ungabatsheli ukuthi bangalwi. Let me try to rectify that. Don't tell them ukuthi bangalwi, because ngalesikhathi kufanele kuphume wena mkhulu, akekho wasikhuza ukuthi singali, salwa kwazi kwalwa ngisho abadla ama-drugs bathi dedelana mkhulu, abamkhipha mkhulu, wakhishwa vele. Asikwazi-ke mkhulu ukuthi namhlanje mase sithi wena vele uvelele iy'ngane ezakulwela bese sincetheza ngaleyo nto leyo. Angeke ngikuthuke, ngeke ngikwenzeni, ngeke ngushawuthe umuntu omdala, but ngizokunxenxa ukuthi phumela obala wena ne-political party yakho, niyeke uku-attacka those that are fighting for our country. Kuney'ngane uphala umthakathi ayithole lapha ebuilding ey'ncane, kunengane ena 3 months iphila under the circumstances engafanele ngabe iphila kuzo. Kuney'ngane zethu enabo 13 years 14 zidliswa ama-drugs abantu bokufika la kungene khona bophayela umthakathi. Lokho abakwenzayo anikuthandi namkhulu, kuyaninyanyisa njengabantu abake baba uhulumeni. Ithini into mhlambe umuntu omdala kukhonto ofuna ukusitshela nesingayi, noma ungeke thina usasitshela njengekhandla, babiza ophakela umthakathi, ubiza boJesintu, ubiza bongizwe, ubiza abo Dr Dlamini omzimba ukhalimali, babiza ofele emntwini uthi bafowethu ngiyazi ukuthi amandla wasekho noma kusekho engingakusho, but ngiyazi ukuthi engingakusho kungalishisa lezo. Nakho kwangivimba ukuthi ngingenze 1 no 2 no 3, nakho kwangenza ukuthi ngicule against South African, ngithi abadocument abantu bokufika. Hlala phansi nesizwe sakho. Njengamanje badinga wena ukhuluma izwe eli-1, but mina ngizothi partake in this while they did partake in your struggle. Partake in this, they did partake in your struggle mkhulu. Ngizokucela mina kahle futhi, I'm sure uzwile ukuthi akunanhlamba, ngizokucela umuntu omdala ukuthi partake in this. We need an agent. Uyeza umhla ka-30 June. I-ANC isidelela ekuseni emini ntambama, umkhonto wesizwe usidelela ekuseni emini ntambama, wakho umkhonto wesizwe. So sizocela namhlanje ukuthi nishilo nathi bonke labantu abalwela abantu base-South Africa behamba nomancinza nabophakela umthakathi nabosisijesinti abayihambela on their personal capacity. That is wrong. That is wrong. In other words, nina nisho ukuthi aniyithandi mkhulu lento eyenzakalayo, ngoba sizwile abelungu bezocebila kho kini, sibazwile bezocebila kho bethi nina zamani ukudisbandila kho, ilakho izimele mkhulu. Leli phutha mkhulu owalenze uku-expel uMalema ungalizami umancinza. Uma ufuna ukubona umkhonto uba umkhonto lo wawusungulele wona, uney'nqumo ongamele uyithathe. At the present moment we are fighting for this country, and i-revolution imkhulu isifikile. The same letter nayibhala ni-Primanda i-Youth 1976 is the same letter esingeke siyivume uyibhale. Sizothi be part of this war at the present moment. Biza bey'ndaba njengoba wababiza uhleli nomntana wakhe eceleni, babize namanje. Sizokucela ukuthi biza bey'ndaba, and ungasikhuzi, biza bey'ndaba kodwa. Yilento engicela kuwe mkhulu.